Well, absolutely. If you take a look at Lenskart's numbers, strong show coming in the second quarter. Let's break these consolidated numbers on a year-on-year basis. Revenue has come in at 2,096 crores, which is up about 21% on a year-on-year basis. Net profit is up about 19.5%, looking healthy at 102 crores. EBITDA has grown up very smartly at about 45%. It's the EBITDA margins that also look very good on the back of a margin expansion coming in at 19.8% compared to 16.5% on a year-on-year basis. If you talk about some of their second quarter highlights, the India revenue is up 13%. International revenue has grown up by 34% on a year-on-year basis. In terms of their other business operations, they've performed 56 lakh eye tests, which is up 44.3% year-on-year. 83 lakh eyewear units were sold, which is up 20.2% on a year-on-year basis. More importantly, their first half and their quarter two same-store sales growth continues to be around that 15% mark. So very healthy coming in for Lenskart. They've added 143 net stores in the second quarter, totaling up to 2,270 stores in the India business. If you take a look at some of their highlights from the letters to their shareholders, they've said that the GST revision has led to purchases being deferred to October, on the back of which they're already seeing strong demand in quarter 3. Tier 2 revenue per store is as healthy as Tier 1, and in fact profitability is even better than Tier 1. So this is optimistic for them, because if you take a look at what their Tier 2 store addition has been, 791, a bulk of their stores in the second quarter has been added in the Tier 2 cities in India. They're targeting 450 net store addition in FY26. They've reached the exact halfway mark at 225, so they seem well on track. And they're going to be launching B, which is the company's AI-powered camera smart glasses, in quarter 4. Now, these smart glasses, the first phase, will be able to do things like UPI payments, health monitoring, food logging, photo and video capture, as well as real-time object scanning, translations. So this is something that the street is going to be excited about. Lastly, if you take a look at some brokerage reactions coming in, remember Ambit was the first one to initiate a sell rating with a target price at 337. Last week, Jefferies had initiated a buy rating with a target price of 500. This morning, they have reiterated the buy target with a 500 rupee target price, saying that the second quarter marked the onset of the company's compounding phase as tech and supply chain unlock a leverage going ahead. So that is positive coming in, and a thumbs up from Jefferies on the healthy second quarter numbers. That's the take on Lenskart quarter 2. Very good set of numbers.